I think the key issue is that marketeers today are afraid of what's happening in the digital environment. They're afraid for the technical aspects of digital, and I think they have to go back and do some soul searching and be aware of the fact that digital is just like any other marketing tool, and just grow back into their own marketing one-on-one experience and use that, and don't be afraid of all the technical aspects of it.
I think there are three things that the digital world makes possible to help marketers grow their brands. The first is insight, getting insight on the right people to reach with your brand. The second is in fact reaching the right people. The digital world with all its data allows precise targeting so that you no longer have to be in this old world of broadcasting your brand's message to a couch. Honestly, who's on that couch? Is it the consumer you want to speak to? Or is it their mother, their father, their grandmother, or their pet cat? Digital makes it possible for you to reach exactly the people you need to reach. So that's the first thing. The second thing I'd like to say is that digital has made internet access possible for billions of people through mobile. The mobile for most of these people is the first and may even be for many people the only device through which they connect to the internet. And what that makes possible is that you can stop, again, broadcasting to the couch, and you can put your brand into the pocket, the handbag, and the hand. Put your brand into the hand of the people that you want to reach. The third thing that digital makes possible is personalization with scale. Imagine all these people, you can reach them with messages that are relevant to them. So it's not just about you as a marketer reaching the people you want to reach. It's also about people receiving messages that are relevant to them, messages that they want to know, brands that they want to discover about, products that they want to hear about.
Really, with the advent of all these new technologies, all the data that we're getting, it's just becoming a lot more inspiring for marketers to like really understand what are consumers doing, and then be able to get immediate feedback from whatever thing that they've put out there. So I think it's more of thinking that it's different, but really it's the same. It's really still all about the consumer, what they're doing online especially, and how do you design on the platforms that they are actually, spending their time in.
So we have to start thinking about different ways of talking to our consumers, to talking to the people that are online. And this means that as a brand, obviously, and this is a business, we have the biggest and largest addressable audience, right? This is what we want to try to target. Television does this greatly. Digital, however, can help you with qualified addressable audience, okay?
I think the main challenge that marketers today face is that they're bombarded. Every day there's a new platform, there's a new technology, there's a new thing that we need to know about. And in reality, marketing hasn't changed, or the principles of marketing haven't changed since way back when. So instead of obsessing about what the platforms are and what the technologies need to be, I think if we just remain true to that whole principle of understanding what people want and how we can deliver it in a profitable and mutually satisfactory way, we're going to make our lives a lot easier, and we're going to be a lot more successful as well. So think about people, not platforms.